Today, we will be discussing how to make the hose reel constant tension on a Series RT reel. All of our reels, except for our hand crank reels, are designed and assembled with a latching mechanism. This allows it to lock into place so your hose doesn't automatically retract in when you don't want it to. To make the hose reel constant tension, you'll want to disengage and remove the latching mechanism. Begin by locating the nut at the top of the guide arm. Make sure the reel is not in a locked position so that the latching mechanism is not under tension. It is recommended to use a C-clamp to hold the spool in place for these next steps. Remove the nut and slide the latching mechanism off the guide arm, then off your reel. Now your reel will be in constant tension. Check to make sure the bumper is in the correct location and then remove the C-clamp. Now you can use your Series RT reel in constant tension. For more how-to videos, visit Reelcraft.com.